how does Val-Chris evaluate loan risk before funding a loan?
All right. We evaluate the risk of a loan using a few different criteria. The primary and most important one for us, at least, is the appraisal. We are an equity-based lender, so we want to make sure that we are using licensed appraisers, and we are using appraisers who are familiar with the particular geographic location of the property, including some of the nuances that maybe custom properties or properties in unusual neighborhoods might be located. So we look at loan to value first. The appraised value first, and then we look at the loan to value. We keep our loan to values conservative, and loan to value is the amount of the loan that's being provided to the borrower in comparison to the appraised value of the property. So we try to keep our loan to values typically at 60% or less, which means our loan balance is typically not more than 60% of the appraised value. And then we will look at other factors as well. We will look at a borrower's credit to a certain degree. That may have some bearing on a loan if it's at a higher loan to value. We also look at the property location when we're looking at the appraisal as well to determine whether or not we think it would be stable in an uncertain market. And then lastly, we may look at the borrower's ability to make their payments, not only from a credit perspective, but we may look at their income, at least what they state their income to be, so that we're comfortable that they're able to make their payments. We typically might focus more on their mortgage history. But primarily, we're an equity-based lender. The appraisal is first and foremost, and keeping our loan to values low is the most important part of equity lending.